Welcome back to Passport Prep, where we help you travel smart, safe, and make the most out of every journey. In today's episode, we're counting down the top 5 countries to celebrate New Year's. Whether you're looking for an epic fireworks display, a party that lasts all night, or something uniquely cultural, these destinations offer incredible New Year's experiences that will leave you with memories to last a lifetime. As we explore these spots, remember to subscribe to our channel, Larry Ulrich, the spot for culture, film, and travel around the world. Let's dive into our list, starting with number 5. First up, coming in at number 5 is Sydney, Australia. If you want to be among the first in the world to ring in the new year, Sydney is the place to be. Because of its location, Australia experiences New Year's before much of the rest of the world. Sydney is famous for its breathtaking fireworks display, which lights up the sky over the iconic Sydney Harbour Bridge and Opera House. With over 1 million people gathering around the harbour, it's a true spectacle. What's special about celebrating New Year's in Sydney is the summer weather, which makes outdoor celebrations comfortable and enjoyable. You can take part in beach parties during the day and then head to the harbor for the evening fireworks. The festivities continue all night long, with parties, cruises, and events happening all over the city. If you're a fan of warm weather and world-class pyrotechnics, Sydney should definitely be on your list. At number 4, we have Edinburgh, Scotland, home to one of the most unique New Year's celebrations in the world, Hogmanay. Hogmanay is more than just a New Year's Eve party. It's a full 3-day festival packed with traditions, music, parades, and fireworks. Scotland is known for its rich cultural heritage, and you can really feel it during Hogmanay. The festivities kick off with a torchlight procession through the streets of Edinburgh, followed by a spectacular fireworks display at midnight from Edinburgh Castle. But the fun doesn't stop there. On New Year's Day, the annual Looney Duke takes place, where brave souls take a plunge into the freezing waters of the Firth of Forth. It's an exhilarating way to start the year, and for those who aren't up for the swim, there are plenty of concerts, street parties, and sealiths, traditional Scottish dances, to enjoy. Hogmanay is perfect for those looking for a blend of history, tradition, and lively celebration. Coming in at number 3 is the electrifying city of Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Known for its vibrant culture and passion for life, Rio doesn't disappoint when it comes to New Year's celebrations. New Year's Eve in Rio, or Réveillon, as it's called, is a massive beach party, with over 2 million people gathering on Copacabana Beach to welcome the new year in style. One of the unique aspects of celebrating New Year's in Rio is the tradition of wearing white. The color white is believed to bring good luck, peace, and prosperity for the year ahead. As the clock strikes midnight, the skies explode with fireworks, lighting up the city and the ocean. The atmosphere is magical, with live music, samba dancing, and plenty of celebrations spilling out onto the streets and beaches. If you're looking for a festive, high-energy celebration where you can dance the night away, Rio de Janeiro should be high on your list. With warm weather, incredible views, and a city that knows how to party, it's an unforgettable place to start your year. At number 2, we have one of the most iconic New Year's celebrations in the world, New York City's Times Square. For over a century, Times Square has been the center of New Year's Eve festivities, drawing millions of people from around the world. The world-famous ball drop, where a massive, illuminated ball descends from one Times Square, is watched by millions in person and over 1 billion people on TV worldwide. What makes celebrating New Year's in New York special is the energy and excitement that fills the air. From early in the afternoon, people start gathering in Times Square, waiting to see the ball drop at midnight. The city puts on a fantastic show, with live performances from top artists, celebrity appearances, and a stunning fireworks display once the ball drops. While Times Square is the main attraction, New York City also offers other ways to celebrate. You can take a cruise on the Hudson River to watch fireworks from the water, head to rooftop parties with skyline views, or enjoy a special dinner at one of the city's world-class restaurants. If you want to experience the excitement of New Year's in one of the most famous cities in the world, New York is the place to be. Finally, at number 1, we have Tokyo, Japan, a city where tradition meets modernity in the most spectacular way. While many associate Japan with quiet and peaceful traditions, New Year's Eve in Tokyo is a vibrant mix of ancient customs and modern celebrations. One of the unique aspects of celebrating New Year's in Tokyo is the tradition of visiting a shrine or temple at midnight for the first prayer of the year, a practice known as Hatsumode. As the clock strikes midnight, bells at temples across the city are rung 108 times to symbolize the purging of worldly desires. It's a peaceful and reflective way to start the year, providing a balance to the energetic celebrations happening elsewhere in the city. For those looking for more excitement, Tokyo's bustling districts, like Shibuya and Shinjuku, host massive street parties, light shows, and fireworks displays. Tokyo Disneyland and Tokyo Disney Sea are also popular spots to welcome the new year, offering elaborate fireworks and parades. What sets Tokyo apart is the blending of old and new. You can start the evening with a traditional meal and a quiet temple visit, then ring in the new year with a modern celebration. In one of the world's most vibrant cities, it's a truly unique and unforgettable experience, making Tokyo our top pick for celebrating New Year's. That wraps up our countdown of the top 5 countries to celebrate New Year's. Whether you want to experience the first fireworks of the year in Sydney, dive into the rich traditions of Edinburgh's Hogmanay, or party on the beach in Rio, each destination offers a special way to ring in the new year. So, as you plan your next New Year's adventure, consider adding one of these incredible spots to your travel list. Thank you for tuning in to Passport Prep. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Larry Ulrich, the spot for culture, film, and travel around the world. We'll see you next time, and here's to a fantastic new year, wherever you may be celebrating. Safe travels.